हेमंत गोडसे.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam. I want to draw the attention on the issue of increase in minimum export price on onion up to $700 by the central government. This year in Maharashtra, especially from Nasik district, due to the late Kharif season, production of onion is in huge quantity. Near about 80 lakhs metric ton onion production is expected up to 2016 March. And our country needs 10 lakh metric ton per month. That is, our country need about 40 lakhs metric ton onion up to March 2016. Means balance 40 lakhs metric ton onion will be surplus as per NAFED record. This onion have less shelf life and is perishable, so can't be stored also. Government has increased the MEP of onion up to $700. Due to this increase, India has lost supply of onion as per the international market demand. Taking advantage of this, onion growing countries like Pakistan, Egypt, China, Iran, keeping the MEP $300, has captured the international market. Because of excess production of onion in the market and no export demand, there is continued drastic price decrease. Before 15 days, the price was 2,800 per quintal. 8 days before it was 1,200 per quintal. Before 2 days it was 500 per quintal. And if the MEP will not reduce, farmer will have to throw the onion on the road. Already the farmers are suffered heavy losses and they have only this crop as a cash crop by which they can survive for some period. Also, farmers are under huge burden of various loans. There is a fear of even increase of farmers' suicide. So I request the Ministry of Commerce to take immediate action to reduce the MEP of onion as compared to other onion growing countries up to $300, so that the price of onion will decrease. Will not decrease drastically and the farmers will have some relief. Thank you, Madam.